the whole race at Thunder Valley with my mouth guard in my waistband, not even in my mouth.
How does that happen?
Because I took it out to eat my gel on the start.
No way, and you forgot to put it.
It stayed in my waistband.
It stayed there?
Yeah. I love the action. I need that, especially right now. Some action like that gets me hyped up. So, yeah, first qualifying was really good. I think I was almost a second half quicker, which is a good step in the right direction. I feel like that's the thing, is not rushing it, just each weekend building, and I feel like we're doing well with that. So, yeah, got into it a little bit with some riders out there. It's exciting. I love it. I love racing. I love that part of it. It gets boring when you don't have beef with anybody, or you're not, going at it with anybody. It makes my life boring. So, I'm excited.
One thing Hayden's really good at is catching momentum. So whether he's catching a toe, following the leaders, and really seeing that pace for the first time, or just in general, overall in the series, catching momentum. I think he's starting to catch some momentum right now. So I think that's kind of what we're focused on today, is momentum. Keep moving forward, keep the ball rolling. Doing really dang good for his rookie season. I'm impressed, and I think good things are in store.
First moto was rough. Got an alright start, just didn't have the intensity at the start. Ended up 10th overall in that one. Second moto got a really good start. Was running second for a long time. Dropped back to third. Was battling with Joe for most of the moto, so it was good fun. Definitely one to remember.
Yeah, good day. First in both qualifyings and 1-1 in both motos, so perfect day for me. Felt good. Feel like myself again. So yeah, no, but feel good, and excited to keep this going. I feel like my starts are back, and yeah, just excited for more racing.
Yeah, I feel like the day came around really well. First moto, ran fourth, but the boys were right there, and obviously Hunter was already good today, so didn't have much for him, but it's cool to see he bridged the gap to guys that quick and then 4 rounds. So second moto, started about 6th, I'd say, and made my way up to 3rd. Bit of charge on to Jet at the end, got pretty close, but it's good. Trending in the right direction. I think last round I was 30 seconds behind Jet in the second moto, and then this round I was like 3-4 seconds, if that. It's good. Been a lot of work, getting more consistent, stronger, just trending in the right direction. So yeah.